How well does your storytelling showcase the handmade nature of your products? Do you know what? Not last week, the week before. No, what was it last week? We did the critique week. No, must have been the week before. Over the last couple of weeks, anyway, I've been going through social media, critiquing them, just really getting into the nitty-gritty of how you guys market your products. Now, alongside with that, I posted a reel that kind of went viral, I'm not going to lie, that was basically saying, if you pop your handmade business within the comments, I will choose 3 and I will buy from them. You might have seen it. So I did that, and I bought the stuff about, I think it was Thursday. I went through all the comments and I looked at 100 handmade business owners and 100 shops, and I found 3 things that I really, really wanted. I basically went shopping for like an hour and a half. The problem is that, I mean, that's a whole other thing, but there were broken links. There were shops that were expired. So like their own websites had like lapsed and expired. So it had the link and it was the only link in bio, but you clicked on it and it was like, Squarespace, your website has expired, or Shopify, this no longer exists, or something like that. And I was like, right, okay. You went on their feed, and their feed was different products to what was in their link in bio. It was really confusing. Or you went on their site and like literally they had three products, or you went on their Etsy shop and they had like three products, and it was like, but I want this thing that I saw on Instagram. But the other thing that I just did not see was enough bigging up about the fact of your products are hand freaking made. Like I definitely did not see that enough. So a little like bonus goodie thing is that if you want to talk and really market your products, please don't ever forget that the fact that your products are handmade is an amazing opportunity to demonstrate the freaking value of them. Like literally anything handmade in this world should be charging a lot more than items that aren't handmade. Think of like handmade chocolates, handmade cards, handmade cars, even. You should be valuing that. Not only should you be valuing that, you should also be getting that across to others. Okay. Next question. Are you able to charge a premium price for your products based on perceived value? Now, if you're in the HBSA, you're no stranger to perceived value pricing. If you're not, though, you might be a bit like, huh? And basically, perceived value pricing is basically where your brand and you as a business owner connecting with your target audience is doing such a good job that you can charge premium prices, because you know that everything supports you to be able to do that. Okay. So it means that your brand is attracting, that laser focused on the right people. It means that, like I said in the previous question, you're getting that handmade value across. And the previous question to that, we talked a lot about your USP, what makes you unique, what makes you special. Now, if those three things are marrying up and you scored highly on them, then you should be really looking at charging premium prices because of perceived value. And I know I'm going to get a comment where someone's like, okay, but how do I do that when my competitors are like undercutting me? You shouldn't even be looking. Like, honestly, if you compete on price, you may as well just chuck in the towel now, because handmade businesses should never, ever, ever compete on price. You know why? Because it's hand freaking made. Everyone is unique. Everyone is special by very nature, because it's handmade, right? So if you're trying to compete on price, give up now. Like, just leave, because you're never going to win. Instead, compete on the things that I've just said about USP. What is your value? Is your brand attracting your target audience? Don't forget, I said right at the beginning of this, your business value is in the brand. Should we pick the handmade thing up, even if it's a cross-stitch pattern? Yes. So like saying that you test stitch all your designs is great. Also as well, like, I think we need to stop undervaluing digital handmade products. Like, they're made by hand too. You're a person with expertise and experience creating this damn thing. So why do we undervalue that just because we're not making mugs or not making a physical product? Like everything that I'm saying applies to digital products as well. Now, the only thing with digital products is that you have a lot more ambiguity when you come to competitors, and some people aren't experts and create them and they're rubbish and people buy them and then are like, ugh. So with you guys, and even more so, you have to get that handmade value across. Like show you like your process making it. Do you test it? Do you tweak it? Actually show you using it, because I think that's really, really important too. Yes, love it. Whoop, whoop. Okay, Facebook people, are you okay? I've not had any comments in 7 minutes. Instagram is popping off. What are you doing? What are you doing, Facebook people? Come on now. Okay, so are you able to charge premium prices for your products? Next question. How loyal are your customers to your brand? So do they purchase repeatedly from you? So do you get repeat purchases often? Now on Etsy, you can find that out by there's like a little marker. On desktop, it can be a star. On the app, I think it is also a star, but it's a different color. And I think also in the UK, it's a star. In the US, it's something else. Basically, it's some kind of icon next to your orders, which you'll notice, because you'll be a bit like, oh, what's that there? And if you hover over it, it says repeat buyer. Yes. So do you get repeat buyers? I've had to switch to Instagram. Yeah, I don't know what Facebook is doing. Do you know what? Like the Facebook group, I am this close to like moving it over to somewhere else, because it's just like it keeps breaking. It keeps not allowing us to invite people to lives, with which I know a lot of you rely on to even tell you that there's lives coming up. Oh, it's so annoying. I'm selling my original artwork at my first exhibition. Yes, and put the prices up, hoping people will buy. Yes.